do it now. But we don't want to go, Chuck. Okay,
Nope.
I'm not going to the house.
Okay. Because they're not.
Yeah. Well, Richard is. Brother's not, I hope. Okay.
Okay. Why is Richard in our house?
I don't know, Chuck. Mom's going to be nervous about this, and I don't like doing it, Chuck, but I had to do what I had to do, right?
You got to do what you have to do.
Yep.
It is parking.
I hate that when that happens.
Yep. There's a frog in that pocket.
Frog in your pocket?
Yep.
Uh-oh. Can you wait 1 second till we get to the...
Yep.
We'll go down here, take a picture, and then we're going back to the police department. Or we can stop wherever. You gotta go poop really bad?
Yep.
You want me to turn around and go to Galloway Park?
Yep.
Are you gonna poop your pants?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna turn around and go to Galloway Park.
Okay.
I think they got a bathroom here.
Do they have a bathroom?
I hope so.
What should I do with this computer?
You put it right here, buddy. I think they have outhouses here, buddy. Let's see. No, leave that on while Mom's doing this. But see, this is the part. Remember years ago when we went to the Halloween thing and we saw the... Who'd we go with? Did we go with Deb Davidson? And her grandson?
Yep.
There's, I think that's a bathroom, buddy. With the... You think that brick building, is a park building? I think so, too. Yep, I know it is. Good job, buddy. You make it to there?
Yep. As soon as we get there.
It doesn't matter if it says boys or girls. You just run over there and go. Where to go? It's right there.
It's right there?
Okay?
Okay.
I'll get out. If you need toilet paper, I happen to have some. They got some? Okay, cool.